Hello, good morning everyone. By the way guys, ang ginawa namin ngayon is nagka-camping kami ng terminal logs sa terminal ng motor which is 6 leads out ito at saka itong motor na to is 3 HP gamit sa centrifugal pump. Yan pong winding niya guys. So ang connection dyan is single Y kasi 440 ang linya nila doon. So, maya-maya guys is i-assemble na to at saka yun, i-deliver na. So, yun lang guys. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel guys. Thank you and God bless all.